Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
Last week, we saw the PSEi rally as much as 7% to as high as 6,282.07. The move was in line with the dead cat bounce that we pointed out in our February 3rd technically speaking commentary. The said high also coincided with the resistance level of the downtrend channel drawn from October 2024 peak. After the resistance was reached, the PSEi exhibited a pullback in the last 2 trading days of the week. We hope to see a pullback that will hold above 5,800 for us to see the possibility of a trend reversal, or else, the downward path may continue.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Ayala Corporation. AC corrected along with the market weakness in January, unable to break out of the identified bullish wedge pattern. Despite this price action, the said formation remained intact and the trade idea continues to be valid with adjusted entry and exit levels. The stock is currently trading at 572.50. If it continues to rally higher, then we can buy the stock at 578.00 with a set target price at 669.50 and stop level at 542.50. Note that the general trend of the market remains down and the risk-reward ratio of this trade idea is below 3:1. This means that exposure to this trade idea should be limited to a size that matches your risk profile.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.